In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out during a presentation to improve your Canva slides. Whether you're trying to highlight a specific point, focus your audience's attention, or just add a dynamic touch to your presentation, mastering zoom can make all the difference. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily incorporate this feature into your Canva presentations. To get started, open your Canva presentation file. Once you have it open, look for the Present button. This is usually located in the top right-hand corner of your screen and will allow you to present your slides in a more professional manner. When you're ready to begin your presentation, click on this Present option. Next, you'll notice a drop-down menu that gives you a choice of how you would like to present your slides. For the best experience, especially when you're using Zoom features, select Present Full Screen. This option ensures that your slides will occupy the entire screen, which not only looks more polished but also enhances the zoom functionality by giving it more visual space to operate. Now that your slides are ready to go and displayed in full screen, click on the Present button once again. This may seem repetitive, but it ensures that all settings are locked in and that you're in the ideal mode for making adjustments as you present. With your presentation in full swing, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. There you will find a series of icons. Look for the magnifying glass icon. This serves as your zoom tool. Clicking on this icon brings up a slider that allows you to control how much you want to zoom in or out on your slides. Now comes the fun part, using the slider to zoom. This feature lets you emphasize particular details, parts of images, or blocks of text without having to switch slides or lose the flow of your presentation. Just drag the slider to the right to zoom in and to the left to zoom out. This gives you flexibility and control over how your audience sees your content, and is particularly useful when you're presenting detailed charts or maps. Remember, this tool is all about enhancing the viewer's experience, so use it wisely. Too much zooming in and out can be distracting, so keep your movements smooth and calculated. Practicing beforehand can make the actual presentation flow seamlessly. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to effectively zoom in and out during your Canva presentation. With these simple steps, you're ready to make your presentations more engaging and professional. Enjoy putting your newfound skills to use, and see you next time.